Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
Those are the days of the week. What are the months of the year?
And when are the months of the year?
January,
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months that they here.
Yay!
great job, buddy.
How many months are there?
Uh,
How many months?
How many months in the year?
10.
Close.
Almost.
12.
Is that the 12?
Okay,
Okay.
what month are we in right now?
October.
Yeah, good
Wow,
job.
great job.
We're in October.
What month were you born in?
Jake's born and Mason's born.
What's your birthday?
August 28th, 2012. That's your birthday.
Very good.
And how
That's
old are you?
6. You're 2.
No, you're not 2.
You're not 3.
You're now 3. That's right.
Good job.
Jake's gonna be 3 and Mason's gonna be 4.
You're stinky.